Hey guys, today we're gonna look at a charcoal grill from Cuisinart, specifically from its outdoor series. From the box, looks pretty promising. As you can see, for my friends that speak two languages, one it has it in French, and the other is in English. So I'm currently showing you the English features. And it's easy to assemble. So let's open it. Let's get to building. Da, 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 da. Oh yeah, and this is for outdoor use only. Please, read the instructions and follow along. So let's start. So this is just the explorative view of the hardware. Then we have everything. That's just pre-assembly checklist, which is pretty good. Then we have all the assembly steps. Air vent operation, all that stuff. So yeah, it's pretty well listed. First, we're gonna start building the bottom part. Slide it through. Oop. Gotta get the proper lining, right? We slide it through. Oop, we got it in. So now we can turn it, right? Oh, never mind, we're not. Oh, there we go. Now we're done. Can close and open. Nice. You could also do it from the bottom as well. First, it appears we're going to put on the handle. So now what we're putting on is a vent to control the temperature and also, let you pick how much smoky flavor you want in your food. So this portable sort of charcoal grill is very good for small families like mine, like maybe families of 3 and 4, right? And I gotta admit, later on in the video, you'll see how amazing this thing works. Already eat something out of it. Oh, wait for later on this video. We're gonna show you how we're gonna cook stuff on it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm getting hungry already. The grill, and then another grill where you can put the charcoal. So we put our charcoal. Now I'm gonna pour in some fuel. And now we're cooking some awesome paneer tikka and some corn. Oh, that looks yummy. Oh, and look at the results. Beautiful char and sear. I recommend you guys should get this, because I like it, you'll like it too.